Welcome to this fantastic home in a sought-after location. Just across the street from the house, you'll find the Renner Trail, perfect for outdoor walks and bike rides. Breckenridge Park is only 1 mile away, offering acres of green space and recreational activities. For shopping, dining, and entertainment, Cityline and Firewheel Mall are just 3 miles away. And Firewheel Golf Course with 63 holes of championship-caliber golf is only 2 miles away. And for families, this home is situated in the prestigious Plano Independent School District, with top-rated schools including Stinson Elementary, Otto Middle School, and Williams High School, ensuring the best education for your children. As you step into the foyer, your eyes are immediately drawn to the elegant staircase and high ceiling. To the left, you'll find the stacked formals, offering elegant spaces for entertaining guests and setting the stage for memorable gatherings. Natural light pours in through the windows, illuminating the space and creating an inviting ambience that's perfect for both formal occasions and everyday living. With easy access to the kitchen, these formal areas seamlessly flow from one space to the next, providing the perfect layout for hosting dinner parties or special occasions. To the right, you'll find a private guest bedroom, perfect for accommodating overnight visitors or creating a quiet workspace. Adjacent to it, a full bathroom offers convenience and flexibility, ensuring comfort for guests or providing a convenient option for use as an office. If you've enjoyed watching this video and would like to see more content like this, don't forget to show your support by giving it a like and subscribing to my channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated and never miss out on future uploads. The living area is a true haven of relaxation where comfort meets style. The focal point of the room is the cozy fireplace, providing not only warmth on chilly evenings, but also a sense of tranquility and serenity. Large windows flood the space with natural light, offering a picturesque view of the sparkling swimming pool outside. Let's make our way to the primary bedroom, a true sanctuary within this lovely home. As we enter, notice the spaciousness and the abundance of natural light streaming in through the large bay windows. These windows offer a breathtaking view of your private backyard oasis, where the sparkling swimming pool awaits. Step into the large master bath adorned with elegant fixtures and features. Here, you'll discover separate vanities, providing ample space for your daily grooming routines and allowing for a sense of individual privacy. The indulgence continues with a separate tub and shower, offering options for both relaxation and invigoration. Prepare to be impressed by the expansive closet space, featuring full-length mirror sliding doors that add a touch of sophistication to the room. With plenty of room for your wardrobe essentials, accessories, and more, this closet is a true sanctuary where you can start and end your day in style. Prepare to be amazed by the kitchen, a chef's dream come true. This is no ordinary kitchen. It's the most spacious and inviting you've ever seen. And let's not forget about the walk-in pantry, providing ample storage space for all your dry goods, kitchen essentials, and more. And on the opposite side, you'll find a modest, yet well-appointed laundry room. The centerpiece of the kitchen is the oversized island, stainless steel appliances, and gas stove. Tucked away in the breakfast nook, you'll also find a separate planner center, providing the perfect spot for organizing recipes, meal planning, or catching up on emails while enjoying your morning coffee. The rear entry to car garage is not just any garage, it's a haven for your vehicles, offering both security and convenience. As you pull into the driveway, you'll notice the sleek electric fence that surrounds the garage, providing an added layer of safety and privacy for you and your family. With the touch of a button, the electric fence slides open, allowing you to enter your private sanctuary with ease. Once inside, you'll find ample space to park 2 vehicles comfortably. Step outside to the pristinely maintained fenced-in backyard, complete with a sparkling pool, the perfect setting for outdoor entertaining and summer gatherings. The large front and backyard offer endless possibilities for outdoor enjoyment. With 5 bedrooms, 4 full bathrooms, a large game room, and a pristine swimming pool, this 2-story home offers plenty of space and entertainment for the whole family. Built in 1996, this home has been meticulously maintained and is move-in ready. A stunning staircase that serves as the focal point of the home's grand entrance. The step-up design of the game room adds an element of sophistication, creating a defined space that is perfect for hosting gatherings or simply enjoying leisurely activities with family and friends. Whether you're playing board games, watching movies, or engaging in friendly competition with a game of pool or foosball, this room offers endless opportunities for entertainment and camaraderie. As our tour of this stunning home comes to an end, we hope you've been inspired by the luxury, comfort, and endless possibilities it offers. If you have any questions or would like to schedule a viewing, Don't hesitate to reach out the listing agent or to Tommy Wynn via email at tommysellsdallas@gmail.com. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we look forward to helping you make this beautiful property your new home. Remember to like and subscribe for more captivating home tours and real estate insights. Until next time, take care and happy house hunting.